What's the retail one of them things?
More than you can afford.
Yeah, that's a shot.
Hey, welcome to Chili's.
Not gonna lie to you, I'm not a morning person, but we're gonna do some exciting stuff today. We'll actually be going to do a morning sunrise shoot with my buddy's super clean S2000. So it's gonna be a cool little tailgate down there at the Type R in the S2000, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's gonna be a really bussin' sunrise. I'm gonna meet up all the homies here in like 20 minutes or so. But yeah, it should be a good day. Alright, so it's not really easy orchestrating a sunrise shoot, but we're like 10 minutes-ish late, so we're doing pretty good.
Thank you.
This thing looks so good. And the sunrise is looking promising, so let's head out. Go. And here's the homie Bailey.
What's good?
But yeah, sunrise is looking promising, guys. So I'm hella excited. I hope we get there right before the sun starts peeking out. I'll hop right now and set you up really quick. Yeah, toge vibes. The weather is so perfect right now, aside from it raining just a little bit. But look at this, giving off some toge, great value Japan vibes here. Well, how was the drive?
Oh, great.
Was it fun? Yeah, I didn't want to go too hard because, well, it's wet and snap oversteer is scary in these cars. Thank you, train. Wow, look at that angle.
Alright, maybe iPhones are over.
This is insane. I don't know how this is real right now.
Oh, we love that. That is fun.
Alright, so I may have fumbled the bag. I forgot to strap the GoPro on for a little POV shoot, so we're doing that right now, so we'll switch it in a second.
But that'd be a lot of fucking money.
Yeah, dude, when I had my S2000, I was like, damn, parts are not cheap for these things. I'm actually here to shoot the shoes.
Yeah.
sorry, S2000. Nike sponsor me, please. I need skate shoes.
The best driving shoes.
Oh, I forgot I'm rocking some Nikes right now too. Oh, this looks so good. A little wide. Look at that thing.
It's like a senior photo session.
Yeah, you didn't think you were gonna be a model today, were you? Let's see.
Hey, that's why I came fitted just in case.
You never know. For real though, you don't. You never know. Paul Walker, who?
For real, dude. Where's my skyline at though?
One day. Cool. That's all I wanted. Should we do rollers all the way down?
Yeah, if we can. I would say, like I said, I think they look better down there, but we can at least start here.
Cool. Oh, this looks nutty. I forgot that does that. Yeah, that's a shot. to stretch before this. I forgot with some downforce the hatch will hit me, but yeah, look at this. Oh. Yeah, and then I think the ones by the mountain actually look fire.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hot as fuck.
Let me see. Is that in focus? Please tell me it's in focus. If not, we might have to do that one more time. Woo. Oh, I'm gonna get some side shots. Yeah, I'm just shooting some photos.
Okay, cool.
Have a good one, sir. What a guy. A gentleman and a scholar.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, cool. Pull forward.
Well, I think they respect that we're here and not on the main highway doing it too.
Yeah. Stop. And back up just a little bit more. Stop.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Switch to the 85 mil now. I need an 85. These are the shoots you dream about. Deadass. Ooh, even this shot is fire. I feel like you just can't take a bad shot here.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, there's thorns! Ah! Gotta get this fitment shot.
You know what might be?
Yeah.
Back on that little road right there. Not
Yeah.
Too far, just a little bit. Get it kind of a naturey shot.
Like a candid, kind of like him pulling in or pulling out.
Yep. And then I want a photo there too.
Yes. Like the photo of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make that your thumbnail.
Yeah, that's a good thumbnail right there.
Oh my god. And then put like the little like clip art of the S2000.
He's going in his back. Here comes the S2000.
Dude, that's perfect.
Love that.
Shots fired. Yeah. Damn, 3/8 lines are hella strong. Yeah, that thing shoots out a bunch of rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I need a new lens after the shoot now, so that'll be in the invoice. Yeah.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Yeah, I gotta go, guys. My mom's calling.
Yeah, it's just been such a good day. I could literally shoot here all day. We've shot in the same location in 4 different locations, if that makes sense. When I called you, did you just wake up again, or were you already ready? Oh, that's fine.
When you called me, I was walking out of my room to go pee because I had to pee.
Oh, so the pee saved you.
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm fucking dead. Oh, the red looks so good with the green. It looks really moody right here. I mean, it was moody over there, but it's even
a little darker right here.
Yeah.
And you got more greens up close.
I just realized I say "dude, I know" like way too often. I found my own catchphrase.
If something I like, I'll always say like I won't lie right after it. Like,
So you lying the rest of the time? Hold on. Don't move your head.
Yes, father.
Perfect.
I definitely like this spot a lot better than the spot we had with the emotes. Dude, that was a sick spot, but
This is top tier.
This is
Yeah,
some-
James only brings his favorite cars here.
that's fair.
Yeah.
I can see why, honestly.
So it's like my thing is like don't just throw a car anywhere in a spot.
Yeah.
You have to match the car with the spot.
That's fair.
And
Or make it stick out enough.
yeah.
It's there's no in between really.
No, that's
Right.
fair.
What's the retail one of them things?
More than you can afford.
Smoke them!
Nice, bro. Not even in fucking R mode. Oh, didn't do it. Oh, there we go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Well, I guess if you guys are now, fuck me, it's over, isn't it? Well, you guys watched it. Well, thank you for watching that. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I really enjoyed doing that morning shoot. I really didn't think we were all going to make it this morning, but we got super lucky that we all showed up just in time to go for our little cruise down the mountain, and we got super lucky with the weather. These are for sure some of my favorite photos to date, and it really feels easy because Evan's S2000 is beautiful. Makes me miss mine a lot. However, I also want to say we are at 604 subs. That is so dope. Thank you to all of you guys. You guys are legendary. I appreciate y'all from the heart of my bottom of my heart, whatever. And I hope you guys enjoyed the next POV video I have coming up right now, or next week. And then we'll have some more summer funs, and summer is upon us, and it is so hot, but there'll be some nice summer night hangs. But until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful night, or day, or wherever it is, or whatever it is where you're at. But yeah, until the next video, guys.